Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of immersive video with the top 5 best 360 cameras of 2024. Whether you're a professional videographer, a travel vlogger, or just someone who loves capturing every angle of your adventures, we've got you covered. And as always, you can find the links to all the cameras we discuss in the description below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals and get your hands on these amazing cameras. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Insta360 RS. This modular camera is perfect for those who love versatility. With its interchangeable lenses, you can switch between a 360 camera, a 4K action camera, and a 1-inch sensor camera. It's like having 3 cameras in one. Plus, it comes with flow state stabilization, making your shots incredibly smooth. Experience the next level of action camera performance with the Insta360 RS 4K edition. Designed for adventure seekers and content creators alike, this camera is a powerhouse of innovation and versatility. Capture your adventures in breathtaking 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or exploring underwater worlds, your footage will be incredibly sharp and smooth. Snap high-resolution 48-megapixel photos that capture every detail. Perfect for both action shots and still photography, the One RS ensures your images are vibrant and clear. Say goodbye to shaky footage with Insta360's advanced flow state stabilization. This technology ensures buttery smooth video, even in the most dynamic and challenging environments. Enhance your videos with active HDR, which balances exposure and brings out rich details in both bright and dark areas. Your videos will have a professional look with true-to-life colors and contrast. Let the camera do the heavy lifting with AI-powered editing tools. The Insta360 app offers a suite of editing features that automatically selects the best moments and applies cinematic transitions, making it easy to create stunning videos on the go. Adventure without limits thanks to the One RS robust waterproof design. Rated up to 16 feet, 5 meters, deep. This camera is ready for your underwater escapades, from snorkeling to surfing. The Insta360 RS 4K edition is part of a modular system, allowing you to switch between different lenses and modules. Customize your setup to suit any shooting scenario, whether you need a 360 camera, a 1-inch sensor, or the versatile 4K lens. The One RS also boasts impressive AI editing tools that help you create stunning videos with minimal effort. It's waterproof up to 16 feet, making it ideal for underwater adventures as well. Next up at number 4 is the Ricoh Theta X. This camera is all about high-resolution capture, offering 60-megapixel stills and 5.7K video recording. It's compact, lightweight, and super easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned photographers. Capture the world around you in stunning detail with the Ricoh Theta X 360-degree camera. This cutting-edge device is designed for photographers and videographers who demand the best in 360-degree imaging technology. With an approximate 60-megapixel resolution, the Ricoh Theta X delivers breathtakingly detailed photos. Every shot captures the richness and vibrancy of your surroundings, making your images stand out with exceptional clarity. Record immersive 360-degree videos in ultra-high-definition 5.7K resolution. Whether you're documenting a travel adventure, a live event, or a creative project, your videos will be sharp, smooth, and incredibly lifelike. Navigate through settings and previews with ease using the built-in touchscreen. This user-friendly interface allows you to quickly adjust settings, frame your shots, and review your content on the go. The Ricoh Theta X is designed to be your go-to camera for capturing immersive content. Its high-resolution imaging capabilities and advanced video recording make it perfect for a wide range of applications, from professional photography and videography to virtual tours and live streaming. The Theta X also features live streaming capabilities, so you can share your experiences in real time with your audience. And with its dual 2.25-inch touchscreens, navigating through settings and previews is a breeze. Coming in at number 3, we have the GoPro Max. GoPro is a name synonymous with action cameras, and the Max is no exception. It offers 360-degree video recording at 5.6K resolution and its max hyper-smooth stabilization ensures that your footage is buttery smooth, no matter the activity. Meet the GoPro Max, the ultimate camera for capturing everything from every angle. Combining the power of a traditional GoPro with the magic of 360-degree capture, the GoPro Max is designed to deliver stunning, immersive content, whether you're in the water, on the slopes, or at a live event. Dive deeper into your adventures with the GoPro Max. Waterproof up to 16 feet, 5 meters, this camera is perfect for capturing your underwater explorations, surfing sessions, and rainy day activities without any additional housing. Record your experiences in incredible detail with spherical 5.6K video at 30 frames per second. This high-definition video capability ensures your footage is sharp, vibrant, and immersive, allowing you to capture everything around you in stunning clarity. Snap breathtaking 360-degree photos with a resolution of 16.6 megapixels. The GoPro Max advanced imaging technology ensures that your photos are crisp, clear, and packed with detail, making every shot a masterpiece. Share your adventures in real time with 1080p live streaming. Connect to your audience on social media platforms with high-quality live broadcasts, making them feel like they're right there with you. Say goodbye to shaky footage. The GoPro Max features max hypersmooth stabilization, delivering gimbal-like smoothness without the need for additional equipment. Whether you're mountain biking, running, or just walking around, your footage will be incredibly stable. Easily navigate settings, frame your shots, and review your footage with the intuitive touchscreen. The GoPro Max user-friendly interface makes it simple to switch between modes and get the perfect shot every time. The GoPro Max isn't just a 360 camera. It offers a range of versatile shooting modes, including Hero Mode for traditional GoPro-style videos and photos, Power Pano for 270-degree panoramic shots, and Time Warp for dynamic time-lapse videos. One of the standout features of the GoPro Max is its ability to function as both a 360 camera and a traditional hero camera. Plus, with features like Power Pano and Time Warp, you'll have all the tools you need to create epic content. At number 2, we have the Ricoh Theta Z1. This camera is a favorite among professionals, thanks to its dual 1-inch sensors that deliver incredible image quality. It captures 23 megapixel stills and 4K video with stunning clarity and color accuracy. Capture the world in unparalleled detail and stunning clarity with the Ricoh Theta Z151 GB black 360 degrees camera. Designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike, this camera offers advanced features and superior image quality, ensuring every shot is a masterpiece. Experience exceptional image quality with 2 large 1-inch back-illuminated CMOS sensors. These sensors enhance low-light performance, reduce noise, and deliver sharp, vibrant images, making the Theta Z1 a standout in its class. With a generous 51 GB of internal storage, you can capture more without worrying about running out of space. Store thousands of high-resolution photos and hours of 4K video directly on the camera. Take breathtaking 360 degrees photos with a resolution of 23 megapixels. Every image is rich with detail, color, and clarity, allowing you to capture immersive panoramas and intricate details effortlessly. Record immersive 360 degrees videos in ultra-high definition 4K resolution. The built-in image stabilization ensures smooth, professional quality footage, even when you're on the move. Enhance your photos and videos with HDR, which balances exposure for more natural, vibrant images. This feature captures greater detail in both highlights and shadows, providing a more dynamic and realistic representation of your scenes. Share your creations quickly and easily with high-speed wireless transfer. The Theta Z1's advanced wireless capabilities ensure fast and seamless data transfer to your devices, so you can edit, upload, and share your content in no time. The Theta Z1 also offers advanced shooting modes and raw image support, giving you complete control over your post-processing. It's the go-to choice for photographers who demand the best in image quality. And finally, our top pick for the best 360 camera of 2024 is the Insta360X4. This camera takes everything great about its predecessors and amps it up. With 8K video recording, it's perfect for capturing every detail in stunning resolution. Experience the pinnacle of 360 degrees action photography with the Insta360X4. Engineered for sports enthusiasts, travelers, and outdoor adventurers, this camera combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly features to capture your moments in stunning detail. Capture every angle in breathtaking 8K resolution. The Insta360X4's 360-degree video capabilities ensure that every detail is crystal clear, providing an immersive viewing experience that's second to none. Switch to wide-angle mode for high-resolution 4K video. Perfect for capturing traditional action shots with exceptional clarity and vibrant colors, making your footage stand out. Achieve drone-like shots without the need for a drone. The invisible selfie stick effect makes the stick disappear from your footage, providing a unique perspective that highlights your adventures without distractions. Protect your camera's lenses with ease. The removable lens guards offer an extra layer of defense against scratches and damage, ensuring your camera stays in top condition even in rugged environments. Keep recording longer with the impressive 135-minute battery life. The Insta360X4 is designed to keep up with your adventures, so you can focus on capturing the action without worrying about running out of power. Let the camera do the work with AI-powered editing tools. The Insta360 app offers a suite of features that automatically edit your footage, apply cinematic transitions, and highlight the best moments, making it easy to create professional quality videos. Ensure your footage is smooth and stable with advanced stabilization technology. Whether you're skiing, biking, or running, the Insta360X4 delivers gimbal-like stability, so your videos look professional and polished. The Insta360X4 also features flow state stabilization, horizon leveling, and AI-powered editing tools. It's built to withstand the elements, with waterproofing up to 33 feet. Whether you're on land, in the air, or underwater, the X4 has you covered. So, there you have it, the top 5 best 360 cameras of 2024. Each of these cameras brings something unique to the table, making them perfect for different needs and preferences. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals and get your hands on these amazing cameras. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.